How to naturally get thicker eyelashes. Do you want to have more thick eyelashes? Feared your eyelashes not be more and more enough? You're not alone. Many people wish to have thicker eyelashes, to form more beautiful eyes. There are many reasons for skinny eyelashes, such as age, some medical problems, missing nutrients, a fixed eye infection or hormonal changes in the body. Other reasons are roughly rubbed and do not pay your attention to the end of the day, which can cause the breaking of fragile hair of your eyelashes. The first thing to try when you try to form your healthier eyelashes is to require appropriate care of them. There are also simple ways to help your eyelashes grow. Remember that cures will not work equivalent for various people. It can take a few weeks, a few months, for healing to understand. In addition, you will have to try everything before discovering the remedy that suits you. Purgative castor oil helps the eyelashes grow, and can also fight the bacteria that prevent them from growing. Take a clean brush or cotton rod and put purgative on your eyelashes before leaving in bed. You can add vitamin E oil to purgative before putting it. Let the oil during the night and rinse it in the morning. You can also mix 2 spoons with purgative with 2 tablespoons burn varnish gel. Put it on your eyelashes using a cotton swab. Leave it during the night and rinse it in the morning. Try one of these cures a day for 2 to 3 months. The vegetable oil of olive oil can feed your eyelashes and make them push thicker. It also helps keep dark eyelashes. Here's how. Soak a clean mascara stick or cotton in the hot vegetable oil. Before attending the bed, put the oil on your eyelashes, as you would on the mascara. Let the oil during the night and rinse it in the morning with lukewarm water. Do that a day for a few months, until you are proud of your eyelashes. See aloe vera. An excellent thank you to cultivate your eyelashes uses aloe vera, because it is tons of vitamins and nutrients. This will also help keep your eyelashes wet. Before going down, put a fresh burning plant gel on your eyelashes with a clean mascara stick. Quit the gel during the night and rinse it in the morning with hot water. A tablespoon of jojoba oil and a chamomile infusion teaspoon. Put this mixture on your eyelashes twice a day with a clean mascara stick. Leave it for 15 minutes and wash it with lukewarm water. Follow either harden a day for a few months to understand. Note: confirm to get rid of the latex by washing the gel of the burned vegetation before use. Egg have tons of protein, they are very good for the cultivation of thick eyelashes. They even have vitamins that help the texture of your eyelashes. Beat an egg in a spoon with glycerin in a thick and creamy mixture. Put it on your eyelashes using a cotton rod. Leave it for 15 minutes, and then wash it with cold water. Do this 3 times a week for a few months. Make sure you have the appropriate vitamins and nutrients, so your eyelashes can grow well. You can take a multivitamin supplement, but confirm to ask a doctor before doing. If you want the video, provides a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and advice, subscribe the channel.